Ingredients: English muffins or mini pizza crusts, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and assorted toppings such as pepperoni, sliced vegetables, or cooked sausage. Method: preheat the oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees Celsius. Split the English muffins in half and place them on a baking sheet. Spread pizza sauce over each muffin half, then sprinkle with shredded mozzarella cheese. Add desired toppings and bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Ingredients: flour tortillas, cooked shredded chicken, shredded cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes, diced green bell peppers, and optional toppings such as sour cream or salsa. Method: heat a nonstick skillet over medium heat. Place a tortilla in the skillet and sprinkle half of it with shredded cheese. Add chicken, tomatoes, bell peppers, and any other desired toppings. Then fold the tortilla in half. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is lightly browned. Cut into wedges and serve with sour cream or salsa for dipping. Ingredients: elbow macaroni, shredded cheddar cheese, milk, butter, flour, salt, and breadcrumbs. Method: cook the macaroni according to package instructions and drain. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Stir in flour to make a roux, then gradually add milk, stirring constantly until thickened. Remove from heat and stir in shredded cheese until melted. Combine the cheese sauce with cooked macaroni. Spoon the mixture into greased muffin tins, sprinkle with breadcrumbs, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden and bubbly.